Look at that. Beautiful, right?
There you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think I'm chatting. Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? And take a look. Yes, guys, we are doing a Christmas cake, but tell them.
Yeah, guys, we are doing a stovetop Christmas cake. This now going on an oven, no mixer, no butter.
Guys, it's just different, right? And these are the ingredients. So we have our flour, sugar, wine, rose and almond, and vanilla, baking powder, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, or raisin, and or oil. Yes, guys.
So I'm going to catch a drift. So right now we're going to get on with the mixing up of the dry ingredients. So watch what happens.
Yes, guys. And if you never thought that this was possible, today is the day.
Set this aside. Get this right here.
Yes.
So we're going to add the flour.
All of that flour.
Everything.
You don't know. Can go already. Everything.
Alright, so we're going to add the cinnamon powder, baking powder, mixed spice.
Yes, guys.
You can use a little salt if you like, but we're not using any salt this time around. I'm going to give this a whisk.
Yes, guys. Everything nice and evenly distributed. And guys,
it's a vegan cake to be precise.
Yes, that's what I was going to say. If you haven't noticed, this is a no egg recipe, right? So it's vegan.
Alright, this ready, so now we're going to get on with the wet ingredients.
Yes, guys. One go, as we say now, one go.
Alright, so now we're going to add some white wine. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys.
Wine.
Some fruit wine, this should be.
Yes,
or you can use red wine if you like.
Whichever wine you choose or prefer, you can use that.
Add the
rose and almond and vanilla.
And we're going to add some sugar.
Yes, guys.
And along with that, we're going to add oil. Give this a whisk.
Alright, guys, we're going to catch you guys back again when all these sugar particles are dissolved. So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice kind of whisk like how we want it. So we're just going to add the browning. That thing, guys. See that color?
Alright, guys, so now we're going to add the dry ingredients.
That's about it, guys. This is smelling so lovely.
And when you add it in 3 quarts, guys. So this is the first quart.
Nice and incorporated. Got that, guys. Lovely, right?
Alright, guys, so I'm going to add the next quart.
Lovely. Right, coming together nicely, guys. And if you follow the recipes, you don't have nothing to worry about, guys.
Alright, guys, so now we're going to add the next quart.
Show them the consistency before you add the next flour. Lovely.
Now look at that.
Alright.
So we're going to add the final quart now, guys. And then we move over to the stove top.
Yes.
Everything.
Lovely, right?
So when I catch a drift, I catch it in the back when I move over to the stove top. Soon forward.
So forward. Yes, guys.
So guys, now we're gonna add some raisin.
Raisin.
Sugar.
Yes, guys. And the cinnamon.
Last but not least, some wine.
Guys, this is smelling so lovely. Cinnamon flavor. Guys, can I tell you? Amazing, right?
Add a little more red wine to deglaze the pot.
That is it. Lovely, guys, and these just help to hydrate back the raisins, right?
Alright, spread. So we're gonna spread the raisin now, guys. Because right now we are coming in with the big bad
mixture. And guys, if you want to see traditional Christmas cake recipe, be sure to follow our cooking channel. We have a whole playlist over there dedicated to that, right? Baking and all that good stuff. And remember, ensure that your fire is on low flame when you're doing this, right? Low and slow. Remember, we don't want anything to burn, right? And you can just shake the pot around to get it nice and even, right? Everything. Alright, guys, so I'm done now to catch a drift. Remember, low and slow until all this batter is cooked.
And so remember to cover the pot, guys.
Yes, guys.
Because like a steam vibes. It's not really.
We're not using the oven, so the steam is really what get the work done, right? So remember, low and slow for 20 minutes, right?
So forward.
Yes, guys, this is how we are looking. Woo! Beautiful, right? So as you can see, around the edges, if you look closely, is already cooked or getting there, right? So we just have the middle that needs some more cooking to be done, right?
Like a guitar check though, guys.
Can clearly see that it's wet, guys. As we said before, wet. So we set another 20 minutes on the timer just to be sure, right? So until then, so forward. Yes, guys, look at that.
Now we get a check.
Such a beauty. Clean. So this ready, guys. Clean. So we're going to allow this to cool down so that when we flip it, it doesn't peel off the top part. So kind of it's going to flip upside down. So the bottom will now become the top, or the base will now become the top. So we're going to allow this to cool down. So forward. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. Spam up the comment section. So forward. Yes, guys, this is it. Perfect, right, guys? It might look a bit dark in the camera. It's not dark, guys. It's the raisin. You know how that go already.
So guys, right now I'm going to cut in this.
It's still a little warm, but the show must go on. Woo! Ciao. Looking all delicious. So, looking all good. This looks really good, guys. I know you want some, but you can always get some if you try the recipe. Guys, beautiful. And this is how we are looking. Look at that, guys.
Still warm, so that's why I get the cut there, but just looking at what.
Look at the cuts.
Look at this.
Yes, guys. As I said, it's a little bit warm, but the show must go on.
So I get on with the plating.
Let's go. Forward. Yes, guys. So this is it, the finished product. Yes, guys. Remember, if you follow the recipes, you can never go wrong. Be sure to follow us on our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Lovely. As I say, follow us on our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Follow our business page. That's Globalist Interaction JA no space. Order your Christmas sauces and all that good stuff. If you want Christmas cake, you can place your order. Christmas chicken, whatever it is. Place your order. What you have to say, King?
Yeah, guys, I don't have much to say about tell a friend to tell a friend. Become a part of the AK gang, Active Knowledge, King and Ali. So until next time, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.